Welcome to David Clark Company video training for the Series 9900 wireless pushback system. This video will demonstrate the setup and operation of system components, including headsets, belt stations, and the heart of the system, the pushback gateway. First, let's review the simple procedure for connecting a Series 9900 headset to a belt station. You will note the orange dot on the headset connector as well as the mating connector on the belt station. Line up the orange dots on both units and push the headset connector into the belt station connector, then twist in a clockwise direction to lock in place. Your headset is now properly connected to the belt station. To continue the setup process, we now need to power up the belt station. The power-up procedure is the same for belt stations and the Model U9920 gateway unit. The power button is located on the side of the belt station. Press and hold down the power button for 1 or 2 seconds until you see the LED light turn a solid red. Release the button and the LED will begin to blink amber, signifying an idle disconnect stage. The belt station is now ready to be linked to a gateway. Next, we'll demonstrate how to link a belt station to a gateway. To link, be sure that the belt station and gateway are powered up. Then press the large push-to-talk switch on the front of the gateway and the belt station within seconds of one another. The power button LED will change from red to blinking amber and then to blinking green, followed by an audible voice prompt when the connection has been established.
Connection established.
Continuing our system setup, let's review some important headset basics to help ensure clear transmission and reception from the system. The headset microphone should be positioned just in front of the mouth, no more than 1/8 to 1/4 inch away from the lips. The sound pressure created at this position activates and maximizes the microphone's noise-canceling properties. You can adjust the headset volume using control knobs located on the ear cups. First, turn the knob all the way to the front of the headset to the full volume position. To adjust volume, slowly turn the knob toward the back of the headset until the desired level is reached. Note that independent volume controls on each ear cup allow for different volume settings in each ear. Now, let's check to make sure that everyone is communicating effectively. We'll start with the Vox, or voice activation. On belt stations that include this feature, the Vox control knob is located on the top of the unit. By turning the knob full counterclockwise, the mic becomes hot or always on to permit hands-free communication. By turning the knob in the opposite full clockwise direction, the mic is shut off. To bypass the Vox and speak directly, simply press and hold the push-to-talk button located on the front of the unit. Vox adjustment is best performed prior to pushback. Vox controls the noise threshold at which the microphone becomes hot. When set properly, this feature will activate the mic only when you are speaking. First, be sure that the belt station is powered on and a connection is established. Next, turn the Vox control full counterclockwise. A tone will be heard in the headset. While not speaking, turn the Vox control knob slowly back in a clockwise motion until the tone disappears and can no longer be heard in the headset. Vox is now at the optimum setting for the present noise level. Should the noise level change, you can repeat this procedure as needed. The U9920 pushback gateway allows communication between the tow operator and the pilot through a connection using an aircraft interface cable. The interface cable is connected to the gateway in the same manner as a headset is connected to a belt station, simply by lining up the orange dot on the cable connector with the orange dot on the gateway connector located on the top of the unit. Push the cable connector into the gateway connector and twist clockwise to lock. The plug on the opposite end of the gateway interface cord is then plugged into the proper jack on the service panel. Using the lanyard hook, hang the gateway from the aircraft, supporting its weight by the lanyard, not the cord. Be sure that the gateway is positioned so that it hangs completely below the aircraft and within view of all crew positions to ensure a clear communication signal to all users. Now that communications are established on the ground, we'll show how to adjust the volume of the pilot's communication to the ground crew. The aircraft volume adjustment is located on the top of the gateway. press and hold down the push-to-talk button on the lead user's belt station and begin speaking while turning the knob on the gateway all the way clockwise to the full volume position. An echo can now be heard when the user is speaking into the microphone. To eliminate this echo, slowly turn the volume on the gateway counterclockwise until the echo can no longer be heard and the ideal setting has been reached. This can be verified by way of a brief system check with the pilot. The system is now linked, adjusted, and fully operational for Pushback. To complete our training, let's review the process to purge all belt station links from a gateway. If a gateway is to be used with a different group of belt stations than the one it's already linked with, it will first need to purge those existing links to make itself available for a new group of belt stations. To do this, first power down the gateway. Next, press and hold the gateway's push-to-talk button. Now, press and hold the power button while continuing to hold the push-to-talk button. To complete the procedure, release the power button first and then release the push-to-talk button. The LED switch will flash red and a voice prompt will be heard by the purged belt station users.
Connection deleted.
We hope that this training video has provided a helpful overview of the setup and operation of the Series 9900 wireless communication system. Please visit our website at davidclark.com for additional information. Thank you.
Cockpit trap, we are cleared to push on to Delta even if you want. We're using one right.